Okay, so this is my canard plane which I built last night, and well, let's see how it goes. This is my first canard plane. I'm not sure what to expect. Alright. Okay, so take two. Alright, it's flying. I'm flying a bit too nose heavy, so the plane is trying to pitch down all the time, and it's not really responsive on the pitch. Whoa! Don't trim while it's going down. That was full throttle. Not bad. Okay, let's try a loop. Okay, and roll. It's pretty good on roll. Pretty decent slow flying. Actually better than I would have expected. But the angled up canard, I guess it helps with the slow flying. Yeah, I like this plane. I like it very much. Okay, my hands are getting really cold and I still have another battery, and this one's not going to give up just yet. It's not pulling much amps with the small 6x4 prop, and well, I'm guessing I have somewhere between 10 and 15 minutes flight time. Well, I can always check this video. try gliding. Oh, it's pretty good. No unlimited with this. No unlimited verticals. But it can climb pretty nice. Like this. And gliding. It's pretty stable. I'm flying hands off. Oh, by the way, the canard it split in half during the first takeoff, which ended up nose diving into the snow, so it's held on with tape right now, and not some heavy stuff. It's just the stuff that painters use. So I'm surprised it's holding on. But oh well, I guess this plane is not really getting all that many G's. Oh, it's difficult to get into inverted. What's it called? Outside or inside, like that. Yeah, it's not very responsive on pitch, but I guess that's because it's so nose heavy, but it makes it stable to fly, so if you fly like this, it's going to be really good. Oh, my hands are freezing. I should learn how to fly with gloves on. I'm practically been flying full throttle the whole time. This is full throttle right now. Yeah, this is a very nice plane if you just want to play around with a little bit more speed. I tried this with a 1000 milliamp 3 cell, but I think it's too heavy. I guess it's 25 grams heavier than this. So I don't know, it might be too nose heavy. But I guess you could mount it differently. Okay, let's try gliding again. I'm getting it's really boring to watch this video, because I don't think I had the time and the will to edit any music in this, so it's probably just going to be me talking and some prop noise. Whoa! Well, that looked like cool way to land. Well, nothing's broken, so let's hit the air. Note to self, don't fly too low on Maiden flights, but